Hi everyone, I'm Amy. It's almost time for the big game. So today I'm making super nachos. This is such an easy recipe to make. You don't even need to measure things. You can put on as little or as much of your favorite nacho toppings. So let's get started. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and take a baking pan, and I'm using one that's 10 by 15 by 1, and place a layer of your favorite tortilla chips on it, and then set aside. In a skillet over medium to medium-high heat, brown 1 to 1.5 pounds of ground beef, and be sure to drain off any excess liquid. Then add either 1 packet or 2 tablespoons of your favorite taco seasoning mix. Then add 3/4 cup of water and stir it together. Now bring this to a boil and then simmer it for about 10 minutes or until the liquid has reduced. Then spoon the seasoned beef over your tortilla chips. Next, sprinkle 3/4 to 1 pound of shredded cheese on top. You can use cheddar cheese like I'm using, or you could use Colby Jack, Monterey Jack, or whatever you like. Now add 1 can of sliced black olives that have been drained and dried on paper towels. Then add banana pepper rings that have been drained and dried on paper towels, and you can use however many you like. Then add sliced cherry tomatoes or diced tomatoes, as many as you like. Now just place this in the oven for about 10 minutes or until the cheese is melted. Then remove from oven and serve these warm with your favorite toppings, such as sour cream, guacamole, or even salsa. And here they are, super nachos. These are a great party food. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynskitchen.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm Amy, then you throw it. Hi everyone, I'm Amy. And it's almost time to hear my voice. No, not yet. Hi everyone. That's not it. I'm gonna hit that camera. Wait a minute. You're gonna hit me with that football. Force to 1 pound of shredded cheddar cheese, not cheddar cheese, cheese on top. Force to 1 pound of shredded cheddar cheese. Oh, God. Hi everyone, I'm Amy. Why is my voice cracking? Did you hear that? My voice is cracking. I'm Amy. Whoa, I almost missed that.